Welcome to this moment of peace, a space where you can release your anxiety and allow deep healing to take place. As you settle in, find a comfortable position, close your eyes, and let your body begin to relax. Take a deep breath in, hold for a moment, and exhale slowly, releasing any tension you may be holding. Let's do that again. Inhale deeply, hold, and exhale, feeling your body soften and relax. With each breath, imagine yourself sinking deeper into this moment of calm. There is nothing to worry about right now, nothing to hold on to. Just you, your breath, and this moment of peace. Now, I invite you to gently bring your attention inward. Begin to notice where you feel anxiety or tension in your body. Is it in your chest, your stomach, perhaps in your shoulders or neck? Wherever it may be, simply notice it without judgment. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, imagine that tension softening. Allow the tightness or discomfort to melt away with each breath, releasing from your body. Visualize the anxiety as a weight that you are gently lifting off and setting aside. You don't need to carry it anymore. With every exhale, let the tension dissolve, leaving space for calm and peace. Now repeat these affirmations, either in your mind or softly out loud. Let these words fill you with comfort and peace. I release what no longer serves me. I am safe. I am secure. I trust in the process of healing. I let go of all tension and invite peace into my heart. My mind is calm. My body is at ease. I am deserving of peace, and I welcome it fully. As you affirm these truths, feel their meaning sink into your being. With every breath, you are releasing old fears, anxieties, and worries, allowing space for healing and tranquility. Now, imagine a warm, healing light surrounding your body, flowing gently like a soft breeze or a warm hug. This light is calm, peaceful, and healing. Feel it envelop you, flowing into every part of your body, filling you with serenity and comfort. Imagine the light flowing to the areas where you once felt tension, gently dissolving the anxiety, leaving you feeling light, free, and at peace. Now, visualize yourself standing on a quiet beach. The gentle sound of waves rolling in calms your mind. Imagine the waves washing away any lingering stress or worry, carrying them out to sea, far away from you. With each wave, you feel lighter, more at ease, and deeply relaxed. As we bring this meditation to a close, let these final affirmations guide you into a state of calm and lasting peace. I am at peace with myself and the world around me. I release all stress and welcome balance and harmony. I am worthy of love, peace, and healing. I choose calm. I choose peace. I choose healing. Take a deep breath in. And as you exhale, allow yourself to feel calm, restored, and deeply at peace. You are free from tension and ready to carry this sense of calm with you throughout your day. Thank you for joining this meditation. Whenever you feel anxiety returning, know that you can come back to this space, release what no longer serves you, and reclaim your peace. Be sure to subscribe for more guided meditations to bring healing and balance into your life.